Today I tried to do something very simple. I tried to heat my food with the microwave. I walk up to the microwave, I look at the buttons. There are a lot of buttons, tiny buttons. Buttons with words, buttons with numbers. At this point, I'm not heating food, I'm taking a test. I press one button, the microwave beeps. I press another. Now it's cooking something I didn't ask for. Popcorn, defrost, sensor cook. I just want warm food, not a science experiment. My wife walks in and says, "What are you making?" I say, "I don't know yet." She says, "What did you press?" I say, "All of them." Here's solution number one. Ignore most of the buttons. Find the start button. Find the time button. That's it. The microwave does not need your life story. Then it starts beeping. One beep, two beeps, many beeps. I feel rushed, like the microwave is yelling at me to hurry up. Here's solution number two. Turn the sound down, or turn it off. Your food will still heat without yelling at you. Peace matters. The microwave stops. I take the food out. The plate is hot. The food is cold. How does it do that? That's microwave magic. Here's solution number three. Stir the food. Turn the plate. Try again. Microwaves need help, just like people. I realized something. The microwave isn't complicated. It's just impatient. And I don't rush for appliances. So if the microwave ever confuses you, slow down, use fewer buttons, and don't let it boss you around. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Life After 80 with Gary, where even the microwave needs to behave.